We will go for next question is multiples. Okay, so now you are after like reading like input and output. Now we really want to go some kind of operators. Okay, so here is one of the operators like multiples operator. How do I use that? There is a operator is called remainder operator. If you know that type, this one. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
So let's try to do it. Like if I ask, just check it out. A modulus operator A modulus B if equal G 0. That means A is a multiple of B. Can I say that? A is a multiple of B. Can I say that?
Yes.
Okay. So here the question is that we have a two number A and B. You have to print multiples. If A is a multiple of B or vice versa, that means you have there is a chance that B can be multiple of A. So you have to print if it is A is multiple of B or vice versa. Otherwise, no multiples. Okay. Test cases are there. A and B is like 1 to 10 raised to 6. You have to print multiples and non-multiples. Okay. So how do we do? Okay. So before it completing this one, okay. So let's try to understand one thing or there is a kind of statement is called if else. If okay, and the curly bracket, and there is a call else statement. What is that? If condition, if this is condition, okay, if this condition is true, if it is true, this condition is true, then we will go into this block, if block, and this code will run. If it is condition is not true, then we'll go into this else block. Now I want to see this one statement if else. Let's try to understand if rain happens. If rain happens, it is true, then we'll go into this if block. And if else, if the condition is false, then automatically this will not go into if block, this will go into else block. So this is the if else statement and it's very important statement block. Okay, and here we will use it. Okay, so if else, do you understand this point? Anyone anyone who have doubt regarding this, you can ask from if else. Okay, so here we will use two things. First, uh first is like how to take input in AB, scene AB. Okay, and this we really want to check either A is multiple of B or B is multiple of A. So there is a if block. Okay, because there's a conditions. There's a conditions. What is condition? Either A is multiple of B or vice versa. That is a condition. So how do I check it? If A modulus B equal 0 or B modulus A equal 0. So what is OR operator? What is OR operator? I'll tell you before it like what is OR operator here. Okay, OR operator works like it actually a logical operator. Okay, it will check like both condition. Okay, either true or false. In OR, if it is false, this condition or this is condition true, so it will go to true. So either one statement is true, it will give the true. Either one is statement. If both are false, if both are false, then it will go into false statement. So there is a end operator are there. Okay, in end, we really need both statement, both condition must be true. If both condition are true, then it will automatically be true. Either it will give false. Okay, so how do I use it here? So we really know that like in if block, we really need to write the conditions here. So condition is a modulus b equal 0. This is the condition. Or we have to write the or. So or is something like to define from this two pipes, okay, and b modulus a, because vice versa are there. So if it is true, then it will go into the if block, and you have to write multiples, and whatever the right expected now you should write like, okay, don't write like if I made it like m is small na, it will give the wrong answer. So you have to write the expected output, okay. If I write something like C out, not multiple, no multiples. So you don't need to write not, you write to no multiple. So even see that if I write only lowercase m, it will give the wrong answer. See that because of this m is lowercase. So you have to like write as the expected the code. See that you are getting AC, okay. So let's try to submit the code. So when you are getting AC,